What is the recipe for a good adventure anyway? I say it starts with getting out of the house, hit the road. Having a destination in mind is definitely part of the adventure. Like a summit, and all the planning it takes to pull that off. Wait, I know. How about a summit with an abandoned fire watch tower? Hold on, overnighting in a summit fire watch tower. Or, for that matter, sleeping anywhere in the wilderness. Like a hut, or a tent, of course. Camp out. Doesn't always have to be hiking and summits. How about stuff under summits? Like glaciers. Glaciers and waterfalls. How about lookouts? Bring family and friends. Oh, I know. Caves. Caves and, can't forget, tunnels. Oh, old railway tunnels. Or tunnels of abandoned mine sites. Wait, anything to do with mines and trains. Any piece of history is a good lead. A good old history lesson. Dive into some research. Come to think of it, got to include ruins and wrecks. Oh, I almost forgot. Natural hot springs and islands. We all know that destinations are nothing without the journey, the suffering, the planning, the trekking, the backpacking. Having all the logistics and details line up can make or break the adventure. Often the adventure is the activity itself, like a paddle adventure, or working in some skiing, and of course cycling, bike packing, or just a good place for a swing and a jump. How about a new challenge for the kids? Or just switching up the seasons? Pushing it a little further, getting just enough scared. A brand new challenge. Oh, and traveling.